Tamil Selvan. Why Tamil Selvan? Very late. Vail Karthik, after the class you call me, pa. Vail Karthik. Vail
Yes,
Karthik.
ma'am.
After the class you call me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See page number 151. Lemo came to Chocobo's house. Why he came to Chocobo's house? Why Lemo came to Chocobo's house? Because he wanted to propose Natalia. He revealed his intention of the visit to her father. Father became very happy and he went to call his daughter for asking her consent. But without knowing the actual purpose of Lemo, Natalia and Lemo falls in severe quarrel. What was the matter for their quarrel? What the quarreling?
Ox and meadows.
Eh?
Ox and meadows.
Why Oxen Meadows. About a property named Oxen Meadows. Both of them argued that belongs to their own family, but they are not in a position to say about a conclusion in between who came there. Chocobo entered there and he also joined with the quarrel. Page number 151. Fourth dialogue, Chocobo. Your grandfather was a drunkard and your younger aunt, Natasha Milanova, ran away with an architect and so on. So at first we can see that from the beginning of the drama, they both, Chocobo and Lemo, they are appreciating and they are telling so many good things about their family. Chocobo is very much appreciating the family and the status of Lemo. The same way Lemo appreciated and he spoke very cautious about the family of Chocobo. But now they are both are accusing others' family about family. So he first they said Chocobo said that you Lemos, Lemos how lunatics in your family. In the family full of lunatic person. And lunatic means lose. All. Chocobo, your grandfather was a drunkard. Your grandfather was a drunkard. What do you mean by drunkard? What do you mean by drunkard? No one knows. Drunkard means druggist. Yes. The person, those who are drinking alcohol. And your younger aunt, Natasha Milanova, ran away with an architect. In the family பற்றி எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். இந்த grandfather வந்து நல்ல drunkard ஆயிருந்தே ஆனா இந்த ஆன்ட்டி வந்து எங்கேனோ வந்த ஒரு ஆர்கிடெக்ட் கூட ஓடி போச்சு. So doing all these things, Chocobo is accusing about Lemo's family. Lemo, and your mother was a handbag. Then that time Lemo was telling, your mother was a lamherd, something pulling in my side, my heart, help, water. So suddenly he cannot express his angriness. Suddenly he got a chest pain and he was asking for water. Whenever he is overexcited, what will happen to him? He will get a palpitation. Same thing happened here also. Natalia, and there having been many backbitters to equal your aunt. So your father was a gambler. So they are accusing each other. Chocobo, my loved food was gone to sleep. You are an intriguer. Oh, my heart. And it's an open secret that before the last elections you bribe. I can see the stars. Where is my heart? So he is also, Chocobo also, so he also has some point to accuse others' family. But because of palpitations, he cannot utter full sentence. What he said, last election, you bribe. Bribe means bribing. Nancham koduttirunde last election, nee ella vandu nancham koduttane position lu vandu. He wants to say that one, but because of the palpitation, he cannot complete his sentence. I can see stars. Where is my heart? Natalia, it's slow, it's dishonest, it's mean, it's a low act, it is a dishonest act, and it is a mean act. Who is telling all these things? Natalia is telling all these things. Chocobo, and you are just a malicious, double-faced intriguer. Yes, you are a double-faced intriguer. Lamo, here's my hat, my heart. Which way? Where's the door? Oh, I think I am dying. My food's quite numb. Those so Lamo, what happened? Lamo, he is he's telling that it's become quite numb. N-U-M-B, numb means motionless. Chocobo following him. And don't see food in my house again. Then Chocobo is telling to him, hereafter, you should not come again here. Chocobo following him, and don't set foot in my house again. Natalia, take to court, we will see. Then Natalia told that, take to the court, we will see. Chocobo, they will take him, walks about in excitement. Natalia, what a rascal. What trust can one have in one's neighbors after all that? Chocobo, the villain, the scarecrow. They call all these nicknames to whom? They call all these nicknames to Lemo. Natalia, the monster. First he takes her hand and then he has an imprudence to abuse us. But actually, Natalia, she doesn't know that Lemo came here to propose her. Whether she knows that one, she doesn't know that one. Without knowing all these things, she starts to accuse Lemo, Chocobo. And that blind friend, yes, that turnip ghost has the confounded cheek to make a proposal, and so on. What a proposal. Then at last, when Lemo came out of their house, all the quarrel it happens, they abuses each other in the very bad words, they curses each other. At last, Lemo came out of their house. That time only Chocobo is telling, எதுக்கு வந்திருக்கு ஒரு ப்ரப்போசல் இந்த மாதிரி ஆளெல்லாம் ப்ரப்போசல் எடுத்து வச்சு வந்திருக்கு செப்பா. Likewise, he was telling. That time only Natalia noticed the word proposal. So far, she doesn't know anything about the Lemo's proposal. Natalia, what proposal? Chocobo, why? He came here to propose you. Why? Don't you know? He didn't say to you. He came here to propose you. Natalia, to propose to me. Why didn't you tell me so before? My dear father, why can't you say it before? I didn't know that he came for to propose me. I didn't know that. Why you didn't tell me so before? So he dresses up in evening clothes, the stuffed sausage, the wizen-faced from. Then that Chocobo is telling he wants to propose you. So he came here in a evening dress. Natalia, to propose to me. Oh, falls to an easy chair and wails. Wails means crying. Bring him back. Bring him back. Oh, bring him here. Oh, my dear Papa, you bring him back. I didn't know that he came here to propose me. Please bring him back. Chocobo, bring whom here? To whom I want to bring here? Natalia. Quick, quick. Amil, fetch him. Quick, na? Be quick. Call him back. She pretends like a hysterics. Hysterics means becoming lunatic. Chocobo, what's that? What's the matter with you? Oh, unhappy man that I am. I will shoot myself. I will hang myself. We have never done for her what he said. Why? We sent him away. from our house, then why I want to call him back? No, what an unhappy man I am. I will not do that when I'm going to shoot myself or hang myself. It is a question to my pride and prestige. I sent him out of my house. Then now you are urging me to call him back. No, it's impossible. Better I will hang by myself or shoot myself. Natalia, I am dying because of sadness. I am dying. I want him. Fetch him. Chukubo, two at once. Don't tell. He is spitting. Who? What a pathetic situation. Don't yell. Runs out. He went out to call Lamo. Natalia stepped away. How they done to me. Fetch him back, fetch him. Chocobo, he's coming, and so on. Double check him. Oh, talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Yes, I bring him back. He's on the way. You can talk to him. I didn't open my mouth. Natalia, Wales. Wales, what do you mean by Wales, children?
To cry.
Cry. Cryனா எப்படி cryனா saying and crying. இப்போ பதம் சொல்லி saying something and crying, no, not a continuous crying, saying something, crying. That kind of crying is known as wailing. Chukubo, he's coming, I tell you. Oh, what a burden, Lord. To be a father of a grown-up daughter, I will cut my throat. I will entreat. We curse him, abuse him, draw him out, and it's all of you. Then what he said, sure, better I will die to become a father of such a grown-up daughters. Because of you, I curse him, I abused him, and I drove him out, sent him out of the house. Now I went and begged in front of him, and I. What a situation, what a pathetic condition. Better I will suicide. Likewise, he was telling. Then he told it to her that because of you only all these things happened. Then what she said? No, it's you. Because of you only everything happened. No, it was you, Chukubo. I tell you, it's not my fault. Then Chukubo is saying, no, I tell you, it's not my fault. Lemo appears at the door. Now you talk to him yourself. Exit. Then Chukubo wrote Lemo here. Then he said, okay, he's on the door. He's coming. You both can talk. I'm not coming for anything. Lemo enters exhausted. Exhausted means very tired. My heart's palpitating awfully. My foot's gone to sleep. There's something that keeps pulling in my side. So he is very much tired because of his palpitation. He's expressing that in front of Natalia. Natalia, forgive us, Ivan Vasnovich. We were all little-hearted. I remember now, Oaks and Meadows really are yours. See how the lady is. Now she is telling that, okay, if you please forgive us. Now I am remembering these Oaks and Meadows are really yours. Lemo, my heart's beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. Natalia, the meadows are yours. Yes, yours. Do see it. We are wrong. Then she is consoling him because already he got tensed and confusion. It's because of the Oaks and Meadows. Now she is consoling him. No, sir, no, it's not ours. It belongs to your. You are wrong. Sorry, you are right. We are wrong. Lemo, I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle. I stand on my ethics. Okay, principle, ideas. Land is nothing for me, but I stand here only to keep my. Yes, the principle. Just so. Now let us tag on something else. Then she is telling, okay, we can leave the topic of this Oaks and Meadows. Now we can say something else. What do you mean by this? Natalia is saying about something else. What does she mean that one? What does she mean? She meant about the proposal. Lemo, the more so I have evidence. My aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather peasants, but Lemo was not ready to leave the topic. Again and again, he was telling the same thing. Yes, yes, let that pass. I wish I know how to get him started. Are you going to start shooting soon? So she wants him to propose her, but he was not coming to the same subject. Again, he was hanging in the old subject of Fox and Meadows. Then she wants to change the subject. She took another one's topic for conversation. What is that one? Shooting. Lemo, I am thinking of having a go at the back Black Oak, honored Natalia Stefanova after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Just to think what a misfortune I have at my doggers, who you know has gone lame. Then he is telling, okay, I go at Black Oak, honored Natalia Stefanova after the harvest. After the harvest only, I am planning to go there. Tamil Selvan, after the harvest, I'm planning to go. Okay. Then it's a very unhappy thing happened recently. He's telling what that unhappened thing or misfortune. My dog, his dog, Gus, Guess. Underline that word, Gus, Guess. Happened to Gus, children? Gus, who you know has gone lame. He become lame. What do you mean by lame? Unable to walk properly. Okay, that is what is known as lame. What a pity. Why? Lemo, I don't know. Must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. My very best dog. To say nothing of expense, I go Murno 125 rubles for him. It was a very expensive dog. He got Murno 125 rubles for buying his dog named Gus. It was too much, Ivan Vasilovich. Then Natalia, 125 rubles is too much for such kind of a dog. I think it was very cheap. He's the first rate dog. No, no, no. This Gus is a first breed dog, first rate dog. It is not a too much amount. Natalia. Lemo, I think it was very cheap. He is the first rate dog. Natalia. Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is heaps better than Gus. Then she is telling, we have one dog, Squeezer. What's the name of the dog? Natalia's dog? Squeezer. And she is telling that her father got only 85 rubles. So that Squeezer is better than Gus. According to Natalia, Squeezer is better than Gus. Lemo. Squeezer better than Gus? What an idea. Yeah, Squeezer better than Gus. Then Lemo. Again, quarreling. Lemo was laughing at her suggestion that Squeezer is better than Gus. According to him, Gus is better than Squeezer, and according to her, Squeezer is better than Gus. Natalia, of course, he is better, of course. Squeezer is young, he may develop a bit, but on the point and pedigree, he is better than anything that even what Cutsy has got. What Cutsy has got? Another one, dog owner. Yes, he is a very good dog. If he get a good food, he will be a very good dog. Namo, excuse me, Natalia Stefanova, but you forget that he is overshot. And overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. He is an overshot. What do you mean by overshot? The jaw side become a short, like a, okay. Have you know the kind of a dog? Likewise, dogs only known as overshot. So the such a kind of overshot dogs, it's not good for hunting. Natalia, overshot is he? The first time I'm hearing it. My dog is overshot. It's the first time I'm hearing that my dog is an overshot. Lamo, I assure you that this lower jaw is shorter than upper. Have you measured? Yes, he's all right at following, of course. But if you want to get hold of anything, then Lemo is telling to her that his lower jaw is shorter than upper jaw. Then she asked whether you mentioned நீ அளந்து பார்த்திருக்கையா? Likewise, teasing way she asked. Yes, he is assuring that yes, it is like that only. It shows that he is not good at hunting. Natalia, in the first place, the squeezer is a thoroughbred animal. The son of hardness and the chisels, while there is to getting pedigree in your dog at all. He is old and ugly as the worn-out cab horse. What she said, Squeezer is a first-breed dog. His father is hardness and mother is chisels, and your dog is nothing good dog. It look like a cab horse. He is old, but I won't take the squeezer for him. Why? How can you guess a dog? As for squeezer, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you know like has a dog as good as squeezer? You may find them under every bush almost. 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. But he's my Gus is an old dog, but it is more than 5 squeezers. Okay, one Gus is enough for 5 squeezers. Maybe he is old, but he is such a perfect and such a powerful dog. Your squeezer is only enough for 25 rubles. 85 rubles is a costly amount for it. It's no need for that much amount. He needs only 25 rubles. Natalia, there is some demon of contradiction in you today. Ivan Vesnovich, first you pretend that meadows are yours. Now that Gus is better than Squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean, because you know perfectly well that Squeezer is 100 times better than your silly Gus. Why do you want to say he is it? So again, today she is telling that இன்னைக்கு வந்து demon of contradiction. உன்னை வந்து எந்த டபுள் பிடிச்சிருக்கு, எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் contradiction தான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்குது. So such kind of demon of contradiction happens to you. Ivan Vasnovich, first you pretended that meadows are, first you said that meadows are yours. Now you are telling that your dog is better than anybody else dog. So that is not a good thing. Who said this one? Who said this one? Natalia. That is enough for today's children. First, I want to know how many of you so far didn't activity.